Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to explore how to set up a VPN connection using the Open Custom VPN app with a custom UDP service. We'll be using V2Ray with Slow DNS, a powerful combination known for its speed and security to enhance your online privacy. Step 1. Installing the Open Custom VPN app. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for Open Custom VPN and install the app. Step 2. Enabling custom settings. Open the Open Custom VPN app. Tap the radio button to activate custom settings. This will allow you to manually configure your VPN connection. Step 3. Choosing V2Ray Slow DNS. From the drop-down menu, select V2Ray Slow DNS. This tells the app you want to use the V2Ray protocol with the Slow DNS feature. Step 4. Accessing the custom UDP service. Open your web browser, like Chrome or Safari. Search for UDP Custom and click on the official UDP Custom website. Make sure the website looks legitimate and trustworthy. Step 5. Creating a V2Ray Slow DNS Server 1. Navigate to V2Ray DNS Server. On the custom UDP website, tap the menu icon, often 3 horizontal lines. From the menu options, select V2Ray DNS Server. 2. Choose a location. Select a server location. 3. Create an account. Create an account on the website. You'll likely need to provide a username and password. 4. Copy server details. Carefully copy the server details from the website. This will include information like the server IP address, username, password, port, name server, and public key. Step 6. Configuring Open Custom VPN. Return to the app. Go back to the Open Custom VPN app. 2. Paste server details. Paste the server details you copied from the UDP Custom website into the corresponding fields in the Open Custom VPN app. 3. Save settings. Tap the Save button to apply your settings. Step 7. Connecting to the VPN. Tap the Start button to initiate the VPN connection. You'll now be securely connected using V2Ray with Slow DNS. Join our community. Don't forget to join us on our Telegram and WhatsApp channels for ongoing support and insights. You'll find the links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon to get notifications for more great content. Stay secure and happy browsing.